Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni professional espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace all these beautiful gaskets that you see right here. These are from the group head, piston, water tank knob, group head as well. This is from the side glass and the steam one. So we basically just replace a bunch of gaskets from here, and here. Also deep cleaning around it, especially the group head to make sure there's no old coffee grounds in there. And yeah, that's all we did. We just give it a good clean and replace some gaskets. So starting with what shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right characteristics of this machine. Otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Alright, perfect. Now water is flowing into the group head and now I can push the lever. Just bear with me. I am holding a big tablet while I am doing I'm pulling the lever. Nice shot of espresso and excellent quantity. We got a nice crema layer on top of it as well and just looking really good. Looking great. I'm gonna move it around here as I want to drink that coffee, and we can now test the steamer. You can see steam working perfectly fine. Excellent steam coming out of the machine. Working great. Sorry, wrong side. Perfect. And as you can see, no leaks anywhere. Working perfectly fine, and machine is at temperature as well. And there you have it, the Pavoni professional working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day. And thanks for watching. And something that I completely forgot, we also replaced the power switch of this machine. I completely missed that. Yeah, so we did a power switch and it too now. Alright, thanks for repairing Kanen Coffee. Thanks for watching.